So funny, TSM.
Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to Sandra's family channel. Come and get a chair, have a seat, and let's vibe. Put up your feet, let's take a seat. Like it's a cracker, we're going for a ride. You hit that like it, that shit, that subscribe. Family channel, cooking like fries. I visit that and I got a surprise. Because Sandra gon' keep it alive.
I just want to get the guys in the yard too. Oh, they left. Always. Stupid birds leaving everybody. I'm recording the video of the bird. Here, my boo bears, I just wanted to show you guys some more of our nature. Our birds look like they are getting ready for the winter.
No.
So that's why they are over here in our bird feeders in the yard and everything and eating like crazy. They have been eating like crazy.
It's been raining like crazy.
They really have, guys. They have been eating like crazy. Look at these birds, guys. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Look at them, y'all. They're so awesome. I love it. I love watching the birds. Look at that bird, Daddy. No, baby, you're okay. Baby, you're okay. It's okie dokie.
You're not okay.
I appreciate that you heated up my nice food for me to eat. No, it's fine, baby. Look at that. Look how careful, baby. You're hitting the wall. See, look at that. Huh? Yeah, it's meat. That's the same thing, honey. That's oxtails. And the greens, same as yesterday.
I'm thinking if I want to put it right here.
You eat it on the stove.
I said, look at it.
What's wrong with it?
I said, look at it.
Oh, careful. Jesus. She about to drop the boat, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Guys, don't mind Jasmine in the background. She's being a fool. I just want to show you guys these awesome birds. Look at them, guys. I just want to show you these birds. Shut up, Jazz. Look at these beautiful birds, guys. You can't say you don't like... Oh, look at the birds in the yard, y'all. Look in the yard. Look at them fools. There's a squirrel, guys. There's a squirrel. Right there. Look at Mr. Squirrel.
What?
Right there, walking.
Oh, I'm so
There he is. All in his beautifulness. Look at Mr. Squirrel. Look at Mr. Squirrel, guys. There's Mr. Squirrel. Look at Mr. Squirrel. Mr. Squirrel, come back here. There you are, Mr. Squirrel. There's Mr. Squirrel.
Look how nice that is.
He's going over there. There he is with the birds. There he is with the birds. I'm getting him. Look at that. There he is. Where's he going?
Ah.
Wow, he's running all over. He's all over the yard, Boo Bears. Look at Mr. Squirrel. Yep, he's over there. Wow, that's cool. Look at that. He's about to go out of my camera's reach, but at least I got a little bit for you guys. What are you laughing at? Oh, that Dad was laughing at us. Well, there's the squirrels, guys. You got to see the cool squirrels and more of the awesome little birds. Look at the birds. Look at these birds. These birds be cracking me up.
You need to get an iPhone.
Huh?
You need to get an iPhone.
There's more birds in the yard, guys. More birds wandering around, eating, as usual.
For summer. I mean, not summer.
Winter.
Winter.
Yep, they're in the yard. They are flying around. Look at that, guys. That's one thing about living out here, boy. You can see. Look at those birds. I love watching the birds. Let me zoom in a little for you guys. Look at the colors on that bird. Wow. Jazzy's over there taking more pictures. Look at the beautiful colors. I'm a pretty bird. There they come. Tweet, tweet. They're flying everywhere. Just like to share this with you guys. This is our beautiful, stupid tripod all up and away. Oh, my tripod. This is our beautiful yard, guys.
It's not beautiful.
Stop saying that. It is too.
You showing me?
I'm not you. I'm on the window. It ain't nothing to do with you. No, not you at all. Look at the little bird in the yard. They're eating, guys. They're getting ready for winter. They're getting that winter coat. That's what my son says. Mom, the birds are getting fat because they're getting ready for winter. Oh, there we are on the door. Little birdies. There they go. Flying on the bird feeder. They're talking to somebody. Quack, quack, quack. He's talking to somebody. He's telling them, get over here. Hey, get over here. Come eat this food. Guys, right now. Come on. What are you doing? Get over here. See? There comes the other one. Tweet, tweet. Get over here. These birds are too cute.
I know what to do.
I love watching these birds. Well, guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of nature. Don't mind everything in my hand. See, there's our little Christmas tree. There you go. There you go. So I got Tracy running on the tablet. There's our Christmas tree, guys. That's the Christmas tree skirt I was telling you about I bought from Amazon. Amazon! There's our door. And of course, you got J Red on the TV. And then if we whoop over here, whoop.
What?
Not you. Calm down. Over here to the fireplace. We put some raggedy stockings back up. They're not raggedy. Okay. And then our pretty lights in the hallway. I still gotta do some more decorating, as you guys can see. But yeah. Anyways, this is the most prettiest decorated area over here. And there's Tracy. Says Bubbles, you're on the tablet. And there's the birdies again. Look at the pretty birds on that bird feeder. Our trees are turning fall, you guys. As you can see, our trees are turning. See, our trees are turning outside. They are turning. Pretty fall colors. I'm over here eating some leftovers. I'll put that in there too. Oxtails and some greens. Yeah.
I know what to do.
What? Oxtails and greens. And then you got a beautiful oxtail over here. Big, fat, juicy oxtail. This time, we just heat them up on the stove. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? What'd you do? Oh. He said that was the dumbest movie I've ever watched in my gosh stinking life.
This might work, but I don't know.
Okay, Boo Bears. That is it. So you get to see our beautiful nature. Okay, that's our beautiful nature outside. See you later, Boo Bears. You guys have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.